divisibility, the terms factor and divisor mean the same thing. For example, to say that 7 is a divisor of 84 means that 84 divided by 7 is an even division. But that also means that 7 times some number equals 84. So 7 is a factor of 84. Okay, let's do a few examples on divisibility, and directions are telling us solve in each case, explain why or why not. And is 8 a factor of 100? No, because 8 doesn't go into 100 evenly, as you can see. So we have 100 divided by 8. And does it go evenly? No. As you can see, it doesn't go evenly because we have a remainder of 4. So our answer would be no, since 8 is not a factor of 100. Okay, let's go to the next one. Is 8 a factor of 96? Yes, because it goes in evenly. 96 divided by 8 is let's do the division. 8 goes into 9 one times. 9 minus 8 is 1. Drop down to 6. 8 goes into 16 two times. Yes, 8 is a factor of 96 because, as you can see, 8 times 12 equals 96. So yeah, 8 is a factor of 96, so that is the correct answer. Okay, we want to solve and justify your answer. Is 283 divisible by 13? Well, we got to divide 283 divided by 13, so let's work it out. 13 goes into 28. Let's see. Let's try 13 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. So we have 2. So 26. 28 minus 26 is 2. Bring down the 3. 13 goes into 23 one time. So 23 minus 13 is 10. Bring down a 0. So no, 283 is not divisible by 13, so it's no. As you can see, we're not getting anywhere in this division problem because we have 21 with the remainder of 100. We're not getting anywhere, so it doesn't go in evenly. Is 13 times 2,809 divisible by 13? So what we got to do for that is multiply first 2,809 times 13. So 9 times 3 is 27. 3 times 0 is 0, plus the 2 is 2. 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 2 is 6, plus the 2 is 8. Put a 0 here. 9 times 1 is 9. 1 times 0 is 0. 8 times 1 is 8. And 2 times 1 is 2. 7 plus 0 is 7. 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry the 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 8 is 16. Carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 36,517. So 36,517 divisible by 13. So we do the division. So we do 36,517 divided by 13. So we write it out. Thirteen goes into 36 two times. 13 times 2 is 26. So 36 minus 26 is 10. Bring down the 5. 13 goes into 105. Let's see. Let's try 13 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24. Carry the 2. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus the 2 is 10. So now we have 8. So 13 times 8 is 104. 105 minus 104 is 1. Bring down the 1. 13 doesn't go into 11, so that's 0. So 13 times 0 is 0. So 11 minus 0 is 11. Bring down the 17. The 7. 13 goes into 117. Let's see. Let's try 13 times 9. So 3 times 9 is 27. And 9 times 1 is 9. Plus the 2 is 11. And we have, so 13 times 9 is 117. So we do not have a remainder. So yes, 36,517 is divisible by 13. So yes, it is divisible. So yes, this is divisible. For sure. Okay, we want to mark with an X if the number is divisible by 2, 5, 10, 100, or 1,000. And the number rules are on the right hand side to help us out. Is 825 is divisible by 2? Well, the rule is a number is divisible by 2 if it ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Well, we don't have a 2. We look at their last number. We have a 5. And I don't see a 5 in this list, so we're not going to put an X here. A number is divisible by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5. Yes, it is divisible by, so we put an X here. Okay, a number is divisible by 10 if it ends in 0. No, we don't have a 0, we have a 5. A number is divisible by 100 if it ends in 0, 0. No, we have 25 here. And a number is divisible by 1,000 if it ends in 0, 0, 0. No, we have 825, so that's totally out. So we just put an X under the 5. Okay, divisible by 400. So is 400 divisible by 2? Let's see. Yes, because in the rule it says for a number is divisible by 2 if it ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. And we do have a 0. So yes, X. 5. A number is divisible by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5. Yes. A number is divisible by 10 if it ends in 0. Yes, so we put X here. A number is divisible by 100 if it ends in 0, 0. Yes, we have 2 zeros at the end, so we put X here. And a number is divisible by 1,000 if it ends in 0, 0, 0. No, it can't be, because we only have 2 zeros. And the number is divisible by 1,000 if it ends in 3 zeros, so no, we don't put X here. Now we have 332. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, because 2, remember, a number is divisible by 2 if it ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, and we have a 2 here, so we put X here. By 5, no, we don't have a 0 or 5, so we don't put X here. 10, no, we don't have a 0 at the end. 100, no, we don't have 2 zeros at the end. And 1,000, no. So we just put an X here. And this is how you would fill out the chart for this. So this is the correct answers right here. Okay, we want to check if the following numbers are divisible by 3. If yes, perform the long division and divide the number by 3. So we would basically add up the digits 5, 3, and 9. So 3 plus 9 is 12, plus the 5 is 17. Is that divisible? Is 17 divisible by 3? No. So no, it's not. Okay, we have 43,719. So we're gonna add up the digits: 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 1 plus 9. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus the 7 is 14, plus the 1 is is 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. 24 divided by 3 is 8. So yes. So the answer would be yes. 43,719 is divisible by 3. Okay, so let's see. We have 9,032. Now there's a trick there's a tip. In adding the digits, we can totally omit any digits that are divisible by 3, namely 3, 6, and 9. So we could get rid of the 3 and the 9. So we have now just add 2 plus 0, which is equal to 2. Is that divisible by 3? No. So no would be so 9,032 is not divisible by 3, so the answer is no. Okay. Okay, check if the following numbers are divisible by 9. If yes, perform the long division and divide the number by 9. So we just add these, we add the 8's together. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus the 8 gives us 24. So 24 divided by 9 is, it doesn't go in evenly, so no is the answer, because 24 is not divisible by 9, so no. It doesn't go in evenly. So now next one we have 576, so we add 576. 5 plus 7 plus 6, and 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. So 18 divided by 9 is 2. So yes, 576 is divisible by 9. So yes. Okay, let's go to our next example. We have 44,082, and we're going to add up the digits. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. And plus 2 equals 18. 18 divided by 9 equals 2. So yes, 44,082 is divisible by 9. So the answer is yes to this. So let's now move on to a few exercise problems so we understand the concept of what are we doing here.